Okay, so one of our projects today to assist with our future projects is the installation of a table saw. We went to a box store and got the cheapest table saw we could find. It was $159 on sale, and it is a Delta Shopmaster 10-inch. Picked it up at Lowe's, and like I said, it was $159. The instructions, all the parts, everything are there. That's good. Normally I have issues with these things, forgetting pieces and parts and manuals and stuff. It comes with a blade, comes with a rail. There's your material pusher, obviously all the safety features. I am in the process of installing the extension rail. I'll get this leveled up with the rest of the table. So far so good. It's been going okay. The one thing that I don't like about this one, obviously, is because I got the lowest model, is the stands are kind of wobbly. It's just a little aluminum or pot metal tubes for stands, and they're not adjustable. So just keep that in mind if you get this. It is waist height for me, so that's probably good enough. Which I would assume, I'm going to guess it's probably about 30 inches high. Other than that, it's been easy going. It is lightweight material. I'm sure the bearings and stuff on the motor are pretty cheap, so I expect to have some blade balancing issues, but other than that, it should get us through the projects that I needed to get done. I apologize for the darkness. We had sun just a second ago, and now it's under some clouds. But alright, I will keep you posted when I get it fired up. See how it goes.